Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at what's probably the best open bottom leather case that you can buy for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And of course, we're talking about the Bullstrap Minimalist Case. Now, huge shout out to Bullstrap for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on this case is $89. Now, of course, all links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves. So, taking a look at the packaging, very classic Bullstrap packaging from recent years. You get your Bullstrap logo here, and on the back it's just completely black, and it says what your color is for your phone case. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and pop this out. All right, so first you're greeted with this felt card. In here you get your little lifetime warranty information card right there, and you're gonna get a cool little sticker for those of you who care about that. Then we're gonna get our case here. Now this is the slate version, we'll look at that in a second, and you're gonna get the remove to make it official tag that basically tells you once you cut this tag that you are no longer able to return this case. So let's go ahead and put all of this off to the side real quick, set that over here, and let's take a look at the case. Now, this is my favorite color. As you guys know, I have the natural titanium phone. This is gonna be that slate color. Now on the back, you're getting that full grain leather. Soon as you open this package up, any one of these boxes, a Bullstrap box, you get smacked in the face with that amazing leather smell. You just want to sit there and smell it. It smells so good. And honestly, even afterwards, your hands, like you get, using your phone case, after a little while, if you touch your face or something, you're going to smell that leather on your hands, at least for the first little while. But yes, there's that full grain material. Of course, you're going to get a little Bullstrap logo right there. You are going to get a leather camera ring. Now, on the inside, you're getting this super nice microfiber material and that full grain leather going all the way around the inside of the phone. Now, this does have a polycarbonate shell underneath the leather, just to kind of prevent it from being too flexible or anything like that, and to give it a little bit more durability. So, let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper, and we'll see how much this thing weighs. So, starting off, we are in grams, and we're looking at 40 grams. So about on par with a lot of the other leather cases out there. However, with this case, you definitely don't feel the thickness of it or the weight. It is really, really nice to hold. Now, moving along to our caliper, let's go ahead and go in millimeters here. Starting from front to back, it's 11.8 millimeters. And then from inside to outside, you're looking at 3.1 millimeters. So all in all, like I said, not a crazy thick case. So let's go ahead and take our natural titanium 16 Pro Max, and we'll put it in the case. Let's listen out for that click. Pretty decent click. Like I said, it is leather, so you're not going to get that polycarbonate or that TPU style click onto the case, but the fit is really good on here. No complaints with that whatsoever. And taking a look at that fit, it's going very tight all the way around, even around your buttons, which is good. Your camera control button has a nice tight fit right there. Goes right back to its original shape, no issues there. And of course, you can sit here and kind of move it up and down, and it is fine there. It's not going to break. You should be just fine. Now, let's take a look at those corners. Let's see on here. Good fit. 2, nice. 3, and 4. So your top 2 corners are going to have a nicer click. The bottom, because of course it's an open bottom, they're not going to click on there as hard, but the fit is still pretty good. It doesn't come off too easily. I would like to see this corner right here, or maybe both of these corners, just be a little bit tighter onto the case. They do come off just a slight bit loose for my liking, but otherwise it is a good fit. I'm pretty confident that if you drop this, you will not have it pop out of the case. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that camera and screen protection. Taking a look, I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're getting an okay screen lip here. It's going to be a little bit raised up, but not the craziest screen lip. Now, leather cases are not really there for the crazy protection from your drops or anything like that, so that is definitely something to note with this case. You're not looking and getting that really crazy protection with it, but you are getting, like I said, just a decent screen lip right there. Nothing too crazy. I would like to see that a little bit taller, though. And then going over to the camera lip, you're getting that leather camera bump right there, and it just barely goes over the lip of the camera bump, but when you do set it down, it is not going to rub on the camera bump at all. This leather does protect it right there. Of course, I would like to see that a little bit taller. Now, how does the case feel in the hand? Is it comfortable to hold? And yeah, for the most part, it's pretty good. The leather is very nice. At first, when you get it, it's a little bit slippery, but you get a little bit of those finger oils in there. After a few hours, it's not nearly as slippery, so that's really good. It's got a good fit on it. Everything about it is pretty good. My only issue, and it's not even only with this case, it's with any open bottom case, is that if you're someone like me and you hold your phone like this, that bottom edge here may get a little bit, not sharp, but it may dig into your pinky a little bit more than what's to my liking. I personally prefer the contemporary case much more because of that closed bottom, but for an open bottom case, this one is not sharp. So they did refine that. It is really nice. I'm a big fan of this case. I just don't like open bottom leather cases that much. So let's go ahead and take a look around the sides of it. Starting off with the top, we are closed in there. On the left-hand side, you're going to get your metal buttons here. You got your action button, volume up and down. These are stainless steel, and let's listen to how they click. Nice click on all of the buttons, and they do protrude a decent bit right there, so everything is fine there. Moving along to the bottom, of course, you are completely open, so there's really no need to test any USB Type-C cables because they'll all fit. There is no cutout there. And then on the right-hand side, you're closed in except for your camera control button. Now, looking at that camera control button, my issue with it is it's a slight, tiny bit off-center, but that's not a problem whatsoever. Accessing it is super easy. Of course, it's going to work with no issues whatsoever. We'll go ahead and take our usual picture right here. I hate this camera control button, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and take a picture. And here we go. Everything is looking just fine there. So accessing it is very easy. No sharp edges or corners. That's a nice groove right there. So it's really comfortable to get your finger in there. And you can even click the button with your finger being completely flat. So that's great right there. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe. Before we start, I know you guys saw the MagSafe ring there. Let's just make sure this has an alignment magnet. And as we can see, it is right there. So that's nice. Not sure why they don't show the alignment magnet on the inside, but that's okay. Now, starting off with our Apple MagSafe wallet, we'll attach that. There's our animation. And this, for the most part, you got to give it a little bit of force in order for that to come off. But for the most part, it should be leather and fine woven wallet approved. Now, let's actually bring over Bullstrap's wallet. This is their NavSafe wallet. I love this thing. This is my go-to MagSafe wallet. It's $89 also. It's a little pricey, but it's got Apple Find My built in, and it's also live tracking Find My. So with your Apple MagSafe wallet, it's not going to be live tracking. It's last location, whereas this one, you can drive down the street and you can track this live as you go. So that is really nice. Not a lot of Find My accessories do that. And of course, I'm not going to show you guys it on the Find My app because then you'll know where my house is and I don't need you guys showing up here. But all you do is you're going to click this button right here. It's going to activate it, and it also charges wirelessly. There you go. There's your chime. Of course, it's a MagSafe battery pack, so it's going to work. This thing charging is great, so you never have to worry about replacing the batteries, anything like that. You click that button that's right there, connect it, and you're going to be good to go. I love this thing. Just side note on the video, definitely worth checking out in my opinion. This is my absolute go-to. And then taking a look at the Apple MagSafe battery pack, there we go. There's our animation. Everything is good. Go ahead and give it a good shake. Shake it, shake it. And this thing is on there nicely. It's not going to come off, and you do have to give it a little bit of force for that to come off. And then finally bringing over our Anchor 623. Go ahead and attach that. And for the most part, it's pretty good. You're going to get a decent MagSafe strength on here, especially it's a leather case, so that material is a little bit thicker. They can't really put the magnets on the back side of the leather. It's on the inside. So for all that, you're getting pretty good MagSafe, and I'm happy with it. Definitely don't have to worry about any of your MagSafe accessories coming off of the case unless you really want them to. So let's take a look at some of the colors that this thing comes in. Now, of course, we are looking at the slate right here. It's also going to come in black, South Beach, Bourbon, Ocean, Dune, Terra, Sienna, and Maverick. So you get a bunch of different color options with this case. Choose whatever color you think matches your phone the best, or your favorite color. Get a couple of them, mix and match. I know that's a little pricey to get more than one. And also, Bullstrap has a lifetime warranty. Now, their warranty is not like other companies. Bullstrap guarantees the case from anything. If it's all beat up, whatever, get in touch with Bullstrap, no problem. All you have to do is pay shipping, so a couple bucks, less than $10, and you'll get a brand new one sent directly to you. Everything is fine with that. Their warranty is incredible. It's always super, super good. I hear a lot of really good things about it. Before Bullstrap sent me cases, I've actually used the warranty before, and it works, so everything is good there. Really no complaints. So for that 89 bucks, you can always get a new fresh case. It's gonna be the same color, of course. You buy this thing one time and you're pretty much good to go for the life of your phone. So that's awesome to see. Now, how do I feel about the Bullstrap Minimalist case? Can I recommend it to you guys? The answer is yes. I love this thing. Of course, my number one is the Bullstrap Contemporary. It's my absolute favorite leather case, but the Minimalist case is excellent. If you're a fan of the open bottom cases, this is for sure gonna be the best open bottom leather case that you can get. The quality, the warranty, the buttons, the MagSafe, everything is A1 about this case. I really can't say enough good things, but let me know what you guys think about the Bullstrap Minimalist case down in the comments below. Have you ever tried Bullstrap, their warranty, any of their cases? Let me know. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my review of that Bullstrap Contemporary, that's my favorite leather case, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see my review of the Bullstrap Flex, which is leather on the back but TPU around the sides to give you more protection, I'll leave that right here.